RAV4 alarms are frequently triggered by faulty hood or liftgate switches, key fob malfunctions, or overly sensitive shock sensors. Start by inspecting the hood switch for dirt, corrosion, or misalignment. Ensure the switch contacts are clean. Next, inspect the liftgate switch for dirt, corrosion, or misalignment. Ensure the switch contacts are clean. Use a multimeter to test the continuity of the hood and liftgate switches. For key fob issues, start by replacing the battery with a CR2032 lithium battery. If battery replacement doesn't work, reprogram the key fob by following the ignition sequence outlined in your owner's manual, typically involving inserting the key and cycling the ignition multiple times. For overly sensitive shock sensors, perform a sensitivity reset by accessing the vehicle's diagnostic mode through the OBD2 port. Alternatively, use the Alarm Reset feature in the My Toyota app for compatible 2023 and newer models. If these steps don't resolve the issue, continue to the next section. If basic troubleshooting fails, consider a software update, as Toyota issued recalls and technical service bulletins to address alarm issues. Contact your local Toyota dealer to check if your RAV4 is affected and schedule a reprogramming. User reports indicate that a physical switch replacement might be needed in some cases, especially in colder climates. Stay updated with the latest information through the My Toyota app and official Toyota communications. Consider professional diagnostics using Toyota TechStream software for deeper reprogramming if the problem persists. Always disconnect the battery before working on electrical components for safety.